Hi there, my name is Tom Vanderheyden, and I get to be on the Beach Rebuild Committee here at the Commons Club.
And my name's Deb Vanderheyden, and I am on the Design Committee.
And you happen to be catching us just at the end of our weekly Beach Rebuild meeting. And lots of activity inside, and we're gonna go share it with you. So we are in the elevator lobby on the second floor at the moment. Maybe a good time to talk about the 3 floors of the building and how they function. First floor is going to be check-in desk, kind of open air showers to get your sand off, and storage. Second floor is living space, third floor is living space. Both floors will have cooking opportunities and some kitchen areas and whatnot.
And a variety of seating in both floors as well.
And a variety of seating.
Yeah.
So here we are on the second floor, kind of on the south side at the moment. Happens to be a gorgeous morning, calm sea. The views from up here are spectacular. And behind us is we're gonna call the catering kitchen. And what's in the catering kitchen?
Oh, wait till you guys see it. It's gonna be amazing. It will have dishwashers, warming ovens, refrigerator, freezers, microwave. So if you're having an event, so say you wanna come together with your community, family, friends, whatever it might be, you can either do it yourself or you could hire a caterer, and it's this beautiful space that you can be a part of and have that be a part of your event.
And my favorite is the bar seating that's going to be here. So you got basically an L-shaped bar, so seating inside, outside, the activity.
Yeah.
And you love the seating.
And I love the seating. I was fortunate that I was able to do sit tests, and really cute chairs are gonna be here that you're gonna wanna just hang out at.
We're on the second floor, kind of at the north end of the building, stairwell next to us here, and the restrooms are right behind us, and the restrooms are gonna be great.
They are. I mean, think about being on the beach and wanting to come in and freshen up before you have dinner. There's showers in there, there's obviously toilets, a changing area, just anything you need to kind of get ready for that next step of the day.
So here we are on the third floor, which, as I've said, is my favorite for 2 reasons. One is the views from up here are amazing. You're so high up. 2 is there's another set of grills behind us, along with a prep wet bar and a bar actually at the grills. Maybe to have a cocktail with your friends while they're grilling for you. And you're going to talk about design principles.
Yes, yeah. So on each of the floors, we're very aware that every seat should have this amazing view. So starting at the back, the tables will be higher, and then they'll graduate down so that there's no obstructed view. You'll get a great view of sunset wherever you are.
Such a good idea.
Yeah.
So we love the Beach Club. We know you will too, and we look forward to seeing you out here for a sunset soon.
Come join us.